Welcome back guys. Today we're gonna see how to download and install MySQL installer for Windows 11. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the official MySQL website. Click on the first download button you see. Go to the download section, select MySQL Community Downloads, then choose MySQL installer for Windows. Just click No thanks, just start my download to skip account creation. Now locate the MySQL installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation, then click Yes if prompted by the user account control. You will be presented with several setup types: developer default, server only, client only, full, or custom. Just choose developer default for most users, then click Next to proceed. The installer may prompt you to install additional software such as Visual C++ redistributable. Then click Execute to install any required components. After selecting your setup type, click Execute to download the necessary components and wait for the download to complete, then click Next. Now click Execute again to install downloaded components and wait for the installation to complete, then click Next. Proceed to Product Configuration. In Type and Networking, select Standalone MySQL Server Classic MySQL Replication. Click Next, then choose TCP or IP as the connection method, then use the default port 3306, then click Next. Set the root password and optionally add additional MySQL user accounts, then click Next. Enter the root password you created, then click Check to verify the connection. You should see a connection succeed message. Just click Next. Once the configuration is complete, click Finish, and MySQL is now installed on your Windows system. That's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.